Babylon, you ain't even deep, no. Deeper manipulation to scatter the nets.
Blessed love. Yeah, man. Welcome to the Herbalawes garden. Yeah, man, in a different fashion, you know. It's a chill day for I. And I am saying blessed love to you, one and all, you know. Yeah, man, I'm just a chill in a garden today. And I listen to some music, you know. Yeah, while listening to the breeze, the birds, you know, out here in nature. Yeah, man, and I am on a sip a roots wine. Yeah, man, this one is a product of Shantyman. Yeah, man, Shantyman's place is in 84 Garden Town Road, Kingston 6. Yeah, man, and it's a natural product. Yeah, and the main ingredient in this product is Locus, called thinking tour. Yeah, fun fact, you know. The thinking tour, the Locus, is a blood builder. Yeah, man. And once your blood build, yeah, then the body's strong. So what it does, it build your immune system. Yeah, man. So that's the main ingredients in this product. Now this product is spring water, locust fruit that's thinking to fermented with honey and molasses. It have pimento seed in it, you know. Cool. Yeah. So, yeah, man, thinking to, yeah, natural blood builder. So, I'm on just there chill and I listen some midnight. Yeah. Why I love midnight music. Yeah. And that's Midnite. So why I love midnight music is because the I talk about life, you know. The I talk about healing, the I talk about the healing herbs, you know. And this song is called Lioness. Yeah.
Concept of the demon mother with son fatherless. And any day she put to the test.
Check out Midnight, you know.
Find a virtuous woman.
Find a virtuous.
Her loyalty is the price.
So the I talk about the lioness, you know. You know, which the Bible speaks about. Who can find a virtuous woman, you know? And which man doesn't want a virtuous woman? You know, a woman who, you know, walks circumspectly. A woman who respects herself. Because one have to respect themselves before they can respect others. So if I can find a woman who respects themselves, then she will be able to respect I, and then I can be able to respect her. Yeah, man. So the I Midnight sing a lot of messageful music. Yeah, and my favorite song from Midnight. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, man, healing.
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 Bring on healing. New experiments in psychoneurosis.
Yeah, man, so we can't play out all our songs because you know the copyright thing go. But as we say, we there chill, drink some roots wine. Yeah, out here in nature, listening to the birds. You know, watch the bees as one of the greatest pollinators. You know? So out here in nature, yeah man, listening. Because nature still speaks for those who are willing to listen. Yeah man, and it's out here in nature, then you can listen and have an understanding how to take care of yourself. and also take care of others. Sight. Bring on healing. Yeah. So it's summertime, you know, inside is hot. So I decide to just chill outside for a moment, you know. Yeah. And soak up some of this nature stuff, you know. Soak up the birds, soak up the breeze. Yeah. And as I said, I'm gonna sip some roots wine, which the base of this wine is Locus, called Stinking Toe. Yeah. And in recent video, we talk about herbs for joint pain. Yeah man, Locus also can use for joint pain. Locus is also a laxative. Yeah, if you can't go out as often as you want to. Yeah man, Locus can help you to go out. It's a laxative. We talk about it being, you know, a blood builder. You know, it is also a tonic. Yeah, and it's also, you know, one of our number one issue in our country. Diabetes. Yeah man, the Locus can use for diabetes. Yeah, and we say it's a laxative. Yeah, so that's Stinking Toe. Yeah, so if you are someone that is suffering from your anemic, if that's the word, anemia, you know, if you are suffering from anemia, then yeah, this tonic Stinking Toe can help you. And it's a blood builder, so it gives energy and strength. So I'm on the out here. Yeah, I listen some midnight and I will a chill vibe, you know.
Proven most beneficial in a medically. It a healing. Healing.
Yeah man, so the Herbalawes channel, if you are new here, it's all about exploring herbs and exploring nature to see where we can find stuff that can heal the body, you know. We were all born, you know, though some people born with illnesses, you know, but we are nature itself. And if we are nature itself, then nature heal. Yeah. So we are out here listening. Yeah. And while we listen, then we will remember the things that can heal. And that's why we talk about the Locus, the Stinking Toe. Yeah. Yeah. Blood builder. Laxative. Good for diabetes. Yeah man. Good for joint pain. Man, suffering from constipation. Yeah man, Stinking Toe is a laxative.
Black touch and a link up.